Let's talk about something that has the power to completely transform your health, and that is green juice. If you're struggling with bloating, fatigue, brain fog, or gut issues, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why green juice might be your next best friend. Let's dive in. Before we get into the healing benefits, all right, let's clarify what exactly is green juice. Green juice is made by extracting the liquid from leafy greens and vegetables like spinach, kale, celery, cucumber, and herbs like parsley. Okay, it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that your body craves. Key ingredients in green juice: spinach, rich in iron and fiber; kale, loaded with vitamin C and K; celery, hydrates and reduces inflammation; cucumber, alkalizing and refreshing; ginger, boosts digestion; lemon, flushes toxins. Now let's talk about gut health. Your gut is like the engine of your body, right? When it's running smoothly, you feel amazing, all right? But when it's out of balance, well, you get bloated, sluggish, and may even struggle with skin issues. That is right. But when it's out of balance, you get bloated, sluggish, and may even struggle with skin issues, anxiety, and weight gain. How green juice supports gut health? Number one, feeds good bacteria. Green juice is rich in prebiotic, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut, improving digestion. Number two, reduces inflammation, chronic bloating, and IBS. The antioxidants in green juice help soothe your gut lining. Number three, boosts digestive enzymes. Raw greens contain enzymes that help break down food more efficiently. Number four, it cleanses and detoxifies, helps flush out toxins, reducing bloating and constipation. Green juice isn't just about gut health. It's a full body rejuvenation drink. Let's break down what this powerful nutrient inside. Vitamin C strengthens immunity and supports collagen production. Magnesium relaxes muscles and supports gut motility. Chlorophyll detoxifies and alkalizes your body. Fiber, if blended, not strained. Many people struggle with common gut problems. Let's break down how green juice can help. Number one, leaky gut syndrome. The anti-inflammatory compounds in green juice help heal the gut lining. Number two, acid reflux. Alkalizing greens help balance stomach acid. Number three, constipation. Hydration plus fiber, a happy digestive system. Number four, bloating and gas. Green juice reduces inflammation and supports good bacteria growth. All right, time to get hands-on. Here is one of the best gut healing green juice recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1 cucumber, 2 celery stalks, half green apple, half lemon, 1.5 garlic, and water. 1 cup of water. Delicious and healing. Try this for 7 days and watch your gut health transform. When is the best time to drink green juice? Here is what works best. Morning on an empty stomach. It absorbs nutrients faster. Post-workout rehydrates and restores minerals. Afternoon, pick me up, better than caffeine for sustained energy. Green juice is one of the best things you can do for your gut, your skin, and your energy. Your entire health. Now, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and let me know in the comment section what's your favorite green juice recipe. See you in the next one.